Do you have curly or frizzy hair? And are you thinking of having a rebonding or smoothing treatment? Then your wait is over. Keep on watching this video because today I am going to show you how to do a keratin treatment in the comfort of your own home without using harsh chemicals and also at a very low cost. Normally, the keratin treatment costs hundreds of dollars, but the treatment I will tell you about is alternate for harsh chemicals, which is used in the keratin treatments available in the market. This keratin treatment makes your hair super silky, soft, and straight. This treatment helps you to remove all the frizz from your hair. If you have extremely dry, damaged, and curly hair, then you should definitely use this one. So without wasting time, let's start making it. You will need 1 egg, 4 vitamin E capsules, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and lastly, 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Take a bowl and break 1 egg into it. Now add 3 tablespoons of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and squeeze 4 vitamin E capsules into this mixture. Mix every ingredient thoroughly with a spoon to make a smooth paste. Make sure there are no lumps in this mixture and it's mixed very nicely. Just one use of this treatment will make your hair extremely straight and frizz-free. This is something that will make your hair straight, silky, and smooth without damaging it. First of all, you will have to carefully make sections in your hair using a comb and clip them out of your way. Remember not to apply this mixture to the scalp. Apply this paste to your hair strands with the help of a brush at first and then rubbing it back and forth and smoothing it out with your fingers on the entire length of the hair towards the end. Run a comb through each section so that the paste is equally distributed throughout the hair length. Eggs can work wonders on damaged hair. As hair is made up of 70% keratin protein, eggs can be used to rebuild damaged and dry hair, making it smooth and moisturized. Rich in lutein, eggs can provide hydration and elasticity to the hair, while the high protein content can help in repairing the hair. The proteins in eggs can be used in softening the hair and also to give it strength and shine. Another ingredient used is coconut cream, which provides moisture and nourishment to the hair. Coconut cream, when used regularly on dry and damaged hair, helps to restore its shine. It makes hair soft and shiny. Due to its high content of saturated fat, coconut is an excellent emulsifier to restore damaged hair. Aloe vera is a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera has a chemical makeup similar to that of keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients. Vitamin E is a cure to turn frizzy, damaged, unmanageable hair into shiny, luscious locks. Oil in general also helps seal out moisture, reduce breakage, and protect the hair from damage. All these protein-rich ingredients together will make a perfect paste, which will result in hair no less than a keratin treatment done at parlors. The results will last for a month, and if you will use sulfate-free shampoo, then the results may last for up to 5 or 6 months. I promise this treatment is better than any straightening treatments. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.